How to create your first YouTube short. If you have created videos for YouTube before, then it should not take you too long to master the creation of YouTube shorts. Even if you have never created and uploaded a video to YouTube, you will find that it is reasonably straightforward to create YouTube shorts by following the steps outlined in this video. Please note that you can only record YouTube shorts in the vertical aspect format on your smartphone. 1. You need the YouTube app. You can only create YouTube shorts natively on your smartphone using the YouTube app. We consider this to be a good thing, as everything that you need to create your YouTube shorts is in one place. There's no need for you to go searching for other apps and download and install them. The YouTube app is available for Apple iOS and Android smartphones. If you have an Apple iPhone, then go to the Apple App Store and download the YouTube app from there. Android smartphone users need to find the YouTube app in the Google Play Store. Once you have found the app for your phone, you will need to download it and install it. After this, you will need to use your Google login or a separate YouTube login to gain access to the creation tool for YouTube Shorts. 2. Create a new short. When you are logged into your YouTube app, you need to tap on the Create button first. You will then see options for creating a short, uploading a video, and going live. Choose the Create a Short option here. If it is the first time that you are creating a short, a message will appear asking permission for YouTube to access your camera and microphone, so confirm this. If you want to create a YouTube short of just 15 seconds, then tap on the red Record button, which will start your recording. To stop your recording, tap on the red Record button again. You can change the length of your recording up to a maximum of 60 seconds by tapping on the Record button more than once. As we suggested in the last video, you need a plan for each of the YouTube shorts that you create. Perhaps you want to record more than one 15-second video and then combine these to create your short. Before you start recording, make sure that everything is ready. If you are recording a person, make sure you get a good shot of them, for example. 3. Add effects and elements. One of the best things about the YouTube app is the different elements and special effects that you can use with your YouTube shorts. There's a toolbar on your screen that you can use to browse to find what you want to use. There are rotating arrows which you can use to change the view of the camera. If you want to change the speed of your YouTube short, you need to tap on the 1x button and then use the controls to slow the video down or speed it up. You can use a helpful feature to help you to create hands-free YouTube shorts. Tap on the clock icon so that you can set the countdown timer. This is useful if you want to shoot footage of yourself, for example. If you want to add filters to your YouTube shorts, you can do this by tapping on the icon with 3 circles. From here, you can choose to apply the filters that you want. There's also a magic wand that you can tap on to retouch your videos. Using a green screen is possible when creating YouTube shorts. There's an icon of a person that you need to tap on, and from here you can add a green screen or an image to change the background of your videos. Adding sound to your YouTube shorts is easy. All you need to do is to tap on the Add Sound icon, which appears at the top of your screen. Please note that you can only add audio to your YouTube shorts before starting your recordings or during the editing process afterward. There's a library of audio tracks from well-known artists available if you want to use these. Alternatively, you can use an audio file that you have on your phone. Please note that when you record with music from the YouTube library or audio from other videos, then there is a limit of 15 seconds. 4. Correct your mistakes. If you make a mistake when you are creating your YouTube shorts, this is very likely when you are getting started. You can correct it. Tap on the reverse arrow, which is next to the record button, to go back a step and correct the mistake you have made. There's also a redo button that you can use. 5. Edit your YouTube shorts. When you have finished your recording for your YouTube short, there's a check mark that you need to tap, which will save your short. Now you can finalize your short by adding your elements, filters, text, music, and more. You can preview your short in editing mode. If you need to perform text editing of your short, tap on the timeline icon so that you can change when your text appears on the overall video timeline. After completing all of your edits, tap on the Next button, which appears in the top right-hand corner of your screen. You can then add additional details such as an enticing title for your short. The title of your short is limited to 100 characters, so it is a good idea to come up with your title in advance. There are different settings that you can choose from at this stage as well. We recommend that you add the hashtag shorts too. In the video description, add a call to action CTA to encourage your viewers to do what you want. 6. Upload your YouTube short. To upload your YouTube shorts to the YouTube platform, you will first need to decide whether you want your video to be one of the following: 1. Public, 2. Private, 3. Unlisted. Unless you have a specific requirement to make your short private or unlisted, we recommend that you choose public. You will then be asked if your short is suitable for children or whether there is an age restriction to impose. Finally, tap on the upload button to upload your short to the YouTube platform. In the next video, we will discuss some good ideas for YouTube Shorts videos.